Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Fast podcast. I'm Mike.
And I'm Jess. We're so happy you're here today. Mike, today's topic is one of my favorites because it's about conversations we all have every single day.
Exactly. We're not going to dive into complex grammar rules. Instead, we'll practice simple, real English, the kind of English you need at the cafe, in a shop, or just chatting with friends.
And we'll do it in a natural way. Not a list of words, not a boring class. Just you, us, and a friendly conversation.
Perfect. So, let's get started with the basics. Jess, imagine I see you in the morning. I'd say, "Good morning, Jess. How are you?"
And I'd reply, "Good morning, Mike. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?" Adding a short follow-up question like, "How about you?" keeps the conversation going.
That's so true. If it's after 12 p.m., we switch to good afternoon. In the evening, we say, "Good evening."
And remember, good night is not a greeting, it's a goodbye. So if you leave a friend's house late, you'd say, "Good night, see you tomorrow."
Oh, and for casual situations, people often just say hi or hey, sometimes even, "What's up?"
Yes. And if someone says, "What's up?" you don't need to tell them your life story. Just reply with, "Not much, I'm good," or "All good, thanks."
Now the magic words, please, thank you, excuse me, sorry.
These are tiny but powerful. For example, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
When the barista hands it to you, you smile and say, "Thank you."
And they might reply with, "You're welcome," or "No problem," or even "Anytime."
And if you need to get someone's attention, use "Excuse me," like in a supermarket. "Excuse me, where can I find the bread?"
And if you bump into someone by mistake, just say, "Sorry about that." Short, polite, and effective.
Let's talk about small talk. Imagine we're in a coffee shop. I might say, "That latte smells amazing."
And I could reply, "Yes, it's my favorite." Do you usually drink coffee or tea?
I usually drink coffee in the morning, but in the evening I switch to tea. See how that opens space for more conversation?
Exactly. Small talk is not about deep topics. It's about friendly connections. You can also use the weather. "It's such a sunny day today," or "Wow, it's really cold outside."
Yes, and a simple reply could be, "I know, I had to wear 2 jackets today." When you meet someone new, the first question is usually, "What's your name?"
And you can say, "My name is Jess, nice to meet you."
I'd reply, "Nice to meet you too." Another common one is, "Where are you from?"
And if someone asks you, you could say, "I'm from Canada. How about you?"
Oh, and don't forget this one. "What do you do?" That means, "What's your job?" For example, "I'm a student," or "I'm a teacher." Now, imagine we're shopping. I pick up a t-shirt and say to the salesperson, "Excuse me, how much is this?"
And if you like it, you can say, "I'll take this, please."
When you pay, don't forget to say, "Thank you."
Sometimes the cashier says, "Would you like a bag?" You can answer, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you. I have one."
Oh, good one. And if the item is the wrong size, you can ask, "Do you have this in medium?"
Or if you want to try something, say, "Can I try this on?"
All right, let's sit down in a cafe. The waiter comes and says, "Are you ready to order?"
If yes, you say, "Yes, I'd like a sandwich and an orange juice, please."
And if not ready, "Not yet, thank you."
Here's another useful one. "Could I have some water, please?" That's a very polite way to ask.
Yes, and at the end say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or in the US, "Can I get the check, please?"
If the service was good, you can also say, "Everything was delicious, thank you."
Jess, let's talk about likes and dislikes. Do you like pizza?
I love pizza, but I don't like pineapple on pizza.
Classic debate. I actually like it.
Listeners, remember, use I like, I don't like, I love, I hate. For example, I love chocolate, but I don't like spicy food.
Yes, and it works for activities too. I like swimming, but I don't like running.
Now, feelings. For example, I'm hungry. I need something to eat.
Or I'm thirsty. I need some water.
I'm cold. Can we close the window?
Or I'm tired. I need to rest. These are short but powerful phrases you'll use all the time.
Yes, they're survival English, easy to remember but very useful.
Finally, goodbyes. Of course, you can say goodbye or bye.
But also, see you later, see you tomorrow, take care, have a good day.
And if you're talking to someone in the evening, you can end with good night.
These little touches make you sound friendly and polite. Wow, Mike, we've covered so much today on greetings, shopping, food, feelings, goodbyes. Basically, the English you need every single day.
Yes, and listeners, don't just listen. Say these phrases out loud. Even if you're alone in your room, practice speaking.
Exactly. The more you say them, the faster your brain connects meaning with English words, no translation needed.
And we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment. What's your favorite daily phrase?
Don't forget to subscribe, share this episode with a friend, and keep practicing every day.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep learning, keep speaking, and most of all, have fun.
See you next time on Learn English Fast podcast, guys.
Bye, everyone.